The following podcast is strictly for entertainment purposes. The show is just a medium to express what an average 18 to 20-year-old thinks about certain topics. Neither me nor my guests are experts on any of the topics discussed. Viewer discretion is advised. Hey guys, before you start watching, I just wanted to let you guys know the podcast is available on all major podcast streaming platforms, and the link for that is in the description below.
I was like, is she dead or is she alive? Is she pregnant or what?
हाँ स्टेज पे आ गई थी ब्रो एंड वो नादान परिंदे कर रहे वो आ गई मैं क्या हो गया ये ठीक है Good evening, guys. Welcome to another episode of Big Brain Time. Joining me tonight are the very smart, the very beautiful Vaishnavi, Anushka Harsh, and Anushka Sharma. Not the actress, but an aspiring actress, Anushka Sharma. आ जाओ हाँ okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Start कर
Hello,
अच्छा अनुष्का you
everyone.
took some notes from the first अनुष्का हर्ष you took some notes हाँ क्या क्या है बताओ
बहुत
Talk-
सारे हैं।
क्या क्या है क्या
Okay.
है?
So the first thing which triggered me is that you said this line कि बंदे ज़्यादा crazy होते हैं बंदियों से. It
For
triggered me
girls.
and Anushka both. Yeah, for girls. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I
even
was
they,
like, ऐसा कहाँ होता
where
है?
are these people?
कहाँ होता है यहाँ पे?
कहाँ नहीं होता अरे what are you talking about भाई अच्छा you haven't hung out with guys ना I have
I have more male friends compared to female friends. Okay, and I've seen that.
but your
So,
male friends
yeah.
are like nice people right I have hung out with the scum okay I know what I'm talking about okay so it's like के I'm not saying कि ज़्यादा crazy होते हैं एक सेकेंड रुक जा मेरा माइक कम हाँ I'm not saying ज़्यादा crazy होते हैं it's more like कि जो कबीर सिंह में दिखाया है it won't be possible in real life it's not
Yeah.
you know as such के कोई ऐसा random बंदा जाके he cannot just go and say कि वो pink suit वाली मेरी बंदी हाँ अनुष्का what about your notes आगे क्या लिखा तूने
Okay. And yeah, you say that people worship Bollywood, ऐसे फालतू में कि कुछ भी नहीं होता. But I think Bollywood gives you that hope, कि in the end everything gets okay. And let me quote Shahrukh Khan here कि अगर end में कुछ भी ठीक नहीं होता है तो picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. And that hope you can't get कहीं और से, just Bollywood.
अबे hope हाँ बोलो बोलो
Okay.
This is not related to this point, but I did have another point where this said person said that Bollywood में सब बढ़ा चढ़ा के होता है and it's just way too much. Like ऐसा real life में थोड़ी ना होता है. I just want to say you take Hollywood in high regard कि oh bro ये तो Hollywood है तो मतलब class apart. भाई have you seen Hollywood की rom-coms? मेरे को तो नहीं मिलते ऐसे हॉट क्यूट नेबर्स मेरे को तो नहीं मिलते मेरी फैमिली में अगर कुछ ओके लेट्स हाइपोथेटिकली से कि मेरी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत सैड हो गया है मेरी तो लाइफ में नहीं आते ऐसे गुड लुकिंग ऐसे फ्रेंड्स लाइक डिलन ओब्रायन वॉकिंग अक्रॉस एंड हेल्पिंग मी गो थ्रू शिट इन माय लाइफ even Hollywood's that and my basic argument here is bhai why do you watch movies do you watch it to like just see what you've been going through in your normal life no bro people watch it to escape reality I don't want to see stuff like oh I'm here sitting waiting for this one guy to text me मुझे ये नहीं देखना मूवी में मुझे देखना है कि बंदा एयरपोर्ट की सिक्योरिटी से फाइट करके अपनी बंदी के लिए जा रहा है मुझे तो यही देखना है भाई so yeah I mean you cannot expect like it's there everywhere
ओके ये फर्स्ट बॉलीवुड वाले एपिसोड में कमेंट्स आए थे कि टॉक अबाउट मूवीज अब वो अनुराग कश्यप has directed और आर्ट इंडी बॉलीवुड मूवीज राइट
Okay.
is that Bollywood for you guys because तुम लोग जैसे for a audience like you guys तुम लोग expect करते हो ऐसे rom com या airport fight वाला whatever to escape reality but if some
No.
movie is showing you guys a real India or Wasipur जैसे movie would you watch it or is it meant for a specific audience
Okay,
I
so
would.
basically, Bollywood is just more than rom-coms, to be very honest.
mm-hmm.
Like, yeah. And plus, have you watched the latest AK versus AK?
yeah bro मैंने 1 घंटे बाद बंद कर दी थी it's like too much for me bro. that was messed
I
up
will
stuff.
tell you. So,
skip over to
So
fabulous lives of Bollywood
Hmm.
yeah
so basically, अगर आपने उसका एंड देखा होता, मैंने रिसेंटली देखी, इट इज लाइक अ वेरी सोचा समझा इंटेलिजेंट काइंड ऑफ मूवी. यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट कि एंड में जो भी सब था वो अनिल कपूर कर रहा था.
ट्विस्ट था एक.
ठीक है, exactly, twist था एक. So yes, sometimes it is targeted to audience who are like वो slots में जो आते हैं, but then it's just like कि what we can say, it's like Bollywood सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि बस शाहरुख ने बाहें फैला दिए and आर्य का, it's yeah, the
नहीं, but
Bollywood is
हाँ.
not that, but it's more like
Sure.
brain भी लगता है कोई चीजों के लिए.
शर्मा जी का हाथ
Okay.
पकड़ा.
So when it comes to me, I am a true Bollywood fan. So that does not only mean that I watch just, Dharma ki love stories. I watch
Exactly.
everything.
Mhm.
Yeah. And Anurag Kashyap's movies, and I don't watch him that much, like I do watch, but one other offbeat director is Anurag Basu.
Basu, right.
His movies are, if you see the way he directs, like Barfi,
Barfi.
Ludo, there is this
Ludo.
connection, and the
Yeah.
way he is never, if you like actually see, because मैं तो bro पूरा in depth में जाके देखती हूँ. If you actually see his movies ना, he will never ever direct his movies in a way कि A B C D. No, he shows
Yeah.
scenes.
It's
And
like
then
A,
end
B,
में
C,
जाके
B and फिर सब
Yeah.
A, B, C, D सब वो साथ में हो जाता है.
and
समझ रहे हो?
end में जाके वो जो connection बनता है ना bro, वो
I love
सीधा
that
like
actually.
Exactly,
hit
like
करता
you
है.
have seen Ludo, right?
Yeah.
I mean, how beautiful is that movie?
Like
And
everything
this
connected,
line,
all the stories.
yeah, ki life is Ludo, Ludo is life. And when you think about it, it's actually true. So yeah,
नहीं, but like you guys said कि people need an escape. So ऐसे कोई random आदमी है who wants an escape but goes there and sees his life on the screen. Like a movie called like तमाशा में देख लो, जैसे for some beat up guy wants to be an actor but is doing some job in the corporate world. उस somebody won't appreciate it that much. People who are doing their pursuing their dreams or living their life, they won't appreciate it as much as some other guy. किसी का रियलिटी नहीं है तमाशा, लाइक जिनका रियलिटी है वो देख
क्यों
के
नहीं है?
escape नहीं होगा.
There have been people struggling to go for their
Exactly.
occupations, but it's their parents who are like, no bro, go do a white collar job
हाँ, तो
if you
वो
wanna earn.
अगर कोई अपनी लाइफ स्क्रीन पे प्ले आउट होते देखेगा, would that be much of an escape or I don't know, self realization of sorts?
It's not always about escape, but it's about connecting, having a different perspective, viewpoint, like you go out there and you see कि ये बंदा है, इसकी लाइफ कैसे like पूरा turn out हुई, how the events affected his life, and you just get that like calling, like bro, it's like as simple as भाग मिल्खा भाग देख के सबको लगता है हाँ ब्रो मैं एथलीट बनूंगा, मेरी कॉम देख के सबको लगता है हाँ ब्रो बॉक्सर बनूंगा. कितना दिन चलता है? एक हफ्ता. उसके बाद में तो अपना ब्रेन है ना यार. So it's like thoda sa it's like that, so that's my point of view. I mean,
also I would like to ask Jaskirat one thing. Jaskirat, you said Rockstar flop हुई थी.
Rockstar flop, हाँ, because I was corrected but मैंने वो काट दिया था और ये भी कट जाएगा.
Okay, so I just made a reel on it today.
भाई I love Rockstar, but the point was कि जब मैंने starting में देखी थी when it was released 2011 में, first of all not mature enough to understand the depth of the movie
Same.
or the music, appreciate the movie. Okay, secondly, the people I know, my parents, okay, they would understand it, they didn't get it, they didn't like it. ठीक है, people around me didn't like it, and the perception was कि क्या था मूवी में during that time. It was like क्या था, मर गई एंड में नरगिस की नहीं मरी. That was the whole perception, and I thought flop हुई थी. हाँ, I thought flop हो गई थी, but मेरे को नहीं पता था
I was like, is she
box
dead
office
or is she alive? Is
Yeah,
she
came on
pregnant or
stage.
what?
हाँ, स्टेज पे आ गई थी bro, and वो नादान परिंदे कर रहे, वो आ गई. मैं क्या हो गया ये, ठीक है.
She went into coma first
Same.
and then she died.
She died, but
हाँ,
उसको
I figured.
उसको निर्वाणा अचीव हो गया था एंड में, like music and all, and then he saw her soul coming her, and वो तो डेप्थ समझ ली ना हमने बड़े होके. तो हाँ, so flop, हाँ टेक्निकली नहीं हुई होगी, पैसे वैसे कमा लिए होंगे, बट परसेप्शन जो था उस टाइम पे यही था कि not a good movie, not one.
It's a very complex story. There's one other story, Lutera, this movie
Yeah.
of Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha, उस time पे it wasn't a big hit. You know, it was a flop only mostly. But if you like watch it na, I personally find it very nice, yaar. Like पूरा जो उसमें there's this very famous English story. I'm forgetting the author's name.
The
उसका भी
Yeah,
section है.
I
last leaf पे थी
yeah.
ना
Yeah, the
कुछ,
last
some
leaf.
yeah.
Yeah. So audience wasn't ready for such a complex, mature story. But if you actually watch it now, it really like, you know, hits the spot. So ऐसी बहुत movies हैं यार जो नहीं चलती हैं, but like,
अरे
bro,
पिछली बार भी बोला था, अभी बोलूंगा, अंदाज अपना अपना देखो ब्रो। वो नहीं चली थी, बहुत सही मूवी है, ठीक है। एज अ यू नो गाय हु अप्रिशिएट्स कॉमेडी और एनीबॉडी, प्लीज वॉच दैट मूवी, ठीक है। पीपल वैसे बाहर का परसेप्शन है कि बॉलीवुड इन जनरल इज अ जॉनर, ठीक है, बट वी नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि बॉलीवुड एज सच जॉनर नहीं है, उसके उसके अंडर कितनी सारी आती है मूवीज, ठीक है। लाइक देयर इज अ थ्रिलर, देयर इज रोमांटिक, देयर इज एवरीथिंग। तो why is there such a perception कि Bollywood in general is a genre?
I feel like there's no perception, but people just like to like have topic to like talk upon कि ओ ब्रो बॉलीवुड जहाँ सब एक जैसी कोरियोग्राफी करते हैं, ओ ब्रो बॉलीवुड जहाँ सब पहाड़ों में साड़ियों में नाचते हैं. That's the only thing. Otherwise, bro, heart of heart, like I don't know. I just feel like people just do it half of the time. कि, oh, bro, Bollywood. You know, like you get what I mean. But like
अच्छा
everyone
मतलब
knows it's not
बॉलीवुड है तो
really.
ऐसा ही होगा और कुछ
Exactly.
उनका ब्रॉड माइंडेड नहीं होते वो.
It's very fixed mindset on that.
अच्छा, तो
कि-
मतलब हाँ भाई, तो बॉलीवुड है तो ट्रैश होगा तो नहीं देख, बिकॉज आजकल का कूल परसेप्शन यही है कि हाँ यू आर वाचिंग, हाँ फकिंग, बिकॉज अभी आजकल बॉलीवुड इज व्हाट, फकिंग जुड़वा 2 और वरुण धवन डूइंग कूली सम शिट, है ना। दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड के। अच्छा, कमिंग टू दैट, लेटेस्ट गुड मूवी यू वॉच्ड बॉलीवुड में?
A lot of them. I like Ludo a lot,
या
like a lot, and बहुत देखी थी भाई, मैं नाम भूल गई सबका. I'm so sorry. कौन कौन सी नई आई है अभी? It's not a movie, but I like this series called Mismatch. It's a pretty cute series.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and Vaishnavi
For
knows.
me, even though it's not like very recent, but it is pretty recent. The Sky is Pink is a pretty
Oh my
Like,
god.
Oh my
touching
god.
story.
So okay.
So yeah.
That was
The
like
sky is pink. The sky is pink. मैं और अनुष्का देखने गए थे and हर सीन में we were like हमारे से नाक से हो रहा था. Everybody in that line was like so they were like crying and all, and it was just like very it is a true story, and I don't know how much exaggeration has been put on that, but then if we see अगर वो मूवी नहीं बनती लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलता कि ऐसे हुआ भी है.
true.
Yeah, so Bollywood is like, yeah, अगर तुम ऑटोबायोग्राफी बनाते हो, बायोग्राफी बनाते हो, बट एग्जैजरेशन इज अलग बात. बट देखा जाए तो किसी को पता ही नहीं होता अगर वो मूवी बनी नहीं होती तो. Who would have given like who would have cared कि किसी फैमिली के साथ ऐसे हुआ है, उनके पास पैसे नहीं थे, and then they went on and on.
हाँ
The other movie.
हाँ बोल.
Acha, sorry, no. Let's
नहीं,
continue
बोल,
this
I
topic.
was
then.
going आगे.
The other movie that really was amazing was Thappad this
Thappad,
year.
yeah, I didn't watch it.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
It came out
Thappad,
this year.
Thappad.
Came out पिछले
Yes,
साल ना?
last. I mean,
Last
obviously
year.
2020.
2019.
Okay. I think, but
2019 it
no,
came out
I
in
think it was
2019.
like no. It was
Can I check?
released. It was
Please do.
released right during the time when this lockdown shit was happening. That is
2020.
I remember my mom
2020.
watching it. 2020. Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Because
28
my last
Feb.
mind-blowing movie was Andhadhun, bro. Like that is the latest I can think of.
Oh, okay.
That-
So
that
okay,
is
I would
the
like
movie.
to. Yeah.
हाँ.
So what do you think, Jaskirat? What happened in the end? I mean, what's your theory?
क्या आगे? Is he blind or not?
Yeah, I mean,
I-
obviously he is
not blind for me.
Sorry,
Not
sorry,
blind
he's
for
not
me.
blind. He's not blind. Do you think he was blind in between? Like,
When
जब बीच में
Taboo gave him the, I think, yeah, he was blind तब, but I don't think, like I think वो मर गई and उसकी आंख उसने ले ली. I think
Yeah.
that's the whole theory. But movies like that, I love that kind of Bollywood. You know, but like वो personal opinion है सबका, but it's not for
Article
everyone.
21. Yeah,
Huh?
Article 21.
21.
That was a good.
Which
yeah.
movie?
Yeah.
कौन सा?
It was
Article
Article
21.
Article.
Ayushmann
Yeah.
Khurrana ki. Yeah.
हाँ. Was it 15 or
good movie
21?
as well.
It's 15. It's Article 15.
Oh,
Are
I'm
you
so sorry. Can you please
Yeah,
cut this?
यार like 21 क्या है भाई, एक सेकंड.
Sorry, yaar. I'm so sorry. I'm
even for that fact, एक web series है. It's called Criminal Justice. It's
I've seen the trailer.
it is so
आयुष्मान खुराना,
intelligent.
he's been killing it भाई. वो कब से
Rajkumar Rao, Ayushman Khurrana, beautiful.
No,
भाई
Pankaj
best.
Tripathi, bro. Like, come on.
You know all three of them. बरेली की बर्फी क्या मूवी थी भाई. ओह
Oh man,
Dude.
loved it.
एब्सोल्यूट
Loved
कॉमेडी
it.
भी है और स्टोरी भी है, बहुत सही. बरेली की बर्फी एंड देन राजकुमार राव की स्त्री आई थी ब्रो. आई डोंट वॉच
Yes,
horror.
that was what I was about to say.
It's a good movie. If you actually think about it, अच्छे से देखोगे ना कि उसकी मतलब what they're trying to show, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah, there's also a message, there's also comedy, there's also horror. It's like everything.
Yeah.
Thrill
Good.
types. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the movies. I like, or that's the only like
I think
last time
the new genre that's like really coming up in Bollywood is comedy horror.
Yeah.
Even this new
Lakshmi
movie.
Bomb.
हाँ, like you can take Lakshmi Bomb and even चलो
Did you
Lakshmi
guys
Bomb
watch
तो
it?
remake.
Did you guys watch it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I did.
How was it?
I watch every movie. bro. Every
Same.
movie. It's
Did you watch Coolie?
the
Coolie,
thing is-
Coolie 2, Coolie
yes,
1?
Yeah,
I
I did,
watch
I did.
everything. I am a true Bollywood fan. I'm
Okay.
there with Bollywood during the bad times and the good times, guys. Loyalty. But
Achha.
Acha, so if you asked about Lakshmi Bomb, it's just that they pura ही copied how it was. Since you know, it's a remake of a South movie.
I did not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kanchana.
कंचना करके एक साउथ मूवी है. इट्स अ रीमेक ऑफ दैट. एंड उन्होंने ना देख साउथ की मूवीज ना बहुत डिफरेंट होती है, बहुत ज्यादा. उनकी ऑडियंस ही अलग होती है. दे लव इट. उनकी उसमें हिट होती है. बट बॉलीवुड में जब हुआ ना तो उन्होंने कंप्लीटली कॉपी कर लिया, लाइक द डायरेक्टोरियल स्टाइल, एवरीथिंग. तो it was the South movie in just Hindi language. So थोड़ा सा hit नहीं हुआ. Like it was थोड़ा सा weird बीच में.
थोड़ा सा controversy भी हो गया था ना
Yeah.
कुछ.
Yeah,
That
the
was
name
because
was
of the whole
changed to Lakshmi.
transgender.
Lakshmi.
Yeah, from-
Yeah. It's not called Lakshmi Bomb now, it's called Lakshmi now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Lakshmi Bomb and ये भी तो थी तेरी हॉरर कॉमेडी हॉरर में गोलमाल
वो
4.
आने वाली है.
गोलमाल 4 भी थी शायद.
That
Golmaal
was
again.
another.
Again, yeah. That's
But
like,
this phone booth करके is coming up of Katrina Kaif, Ishan Khattar and Siddharth Chaturvedi. इनकी आ रही है, which is again
Oh, okay.
इनकी
On
आ रही है,
that
which is
note,
again horror comedy, which is why I feel like this is like really coming up in Bollywood now, like horror comedy types.
Vaishnavi, you saying something?
yeah. So, coming on Ishan Khattar, have you guys seen A Suitable Boy?
Yes.
I'm not.
I'm not.
I guess
Oh my
that's
god, it's so
That's-
good.
it's so good. It's so beautiful when you think of it. It just बीच में controversy हुआ था कि like
Case in Temple.
They make out.
Yes, I know the
Yeah.
controversies.
Temples में, yeah.
Yeah, but I was like, if you look at the gist of the whole background or the story or the time period it has been shown, it was a very good movie. And ऐसा हर time नहीं
Series.
होता है.
It
to be
was a
honest,
series.
Bollywood.
Series.
Series,
Yeah,
good
sorry,
series.
series.
I would kind of like to object here. I wouldn't really like credit Bollywood for the whole story because it was based on a book.
It
So
was
it's basically
obviously it was
author.
based on
Yeah.
yeah.
So
I
yeah.
like the direction though.
अच्छा, talking about your ईशान कट्टर से actors में आया. So actors, we'll go in order. अपने favorite actors बताओ. Male and then female and then let's go Anushka Sharma.
Which one?
I guess I have both ones on my wall right behind me.
एक शाहरुख खान होगा bro. I
Really
can
wanna
see.
Shah Rukh
guess?
Khan.
Yeah, I can see Shah Rukh Khan. And who else?
So
No,
my
you Shah Rukh
male
Khan fan.
favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan, and my female favorite actress is Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka
Jonas.
Chopra. Yes. Okay. Okay. Anushka, Harsh, you tell me yours.
Man, it's actually very tough to choose between ऐसे सब में, but yeah, obviously Shah Rukh Khan. I love Siddharth Chaturvedi. Like he's good. Like I saw him in Gully Boy, Inside Edge, and he was pretty good.
Gully Boy.
So yeah, and Farhan Akhtar, obviously. I can go on and on actually, but yeah,
Like,
these three.
All of these are your favorite.
Yeah, and actress में I like Deepika,
I like
Anushka Sharma. Obviously.
it. Anushka Sharma.
Hey guys, thanks.
Yeah. So
Vaishnavi,
that's
what about you?
So Shah Rukh Khan, like undoubtedly. I
सब
also
कॉपी
like
कर रहे हैं मेरा जसकीरत, सब कॉपी कर रहे हैं,
No.
जैसे ये नहीं चलेगा.
obviously, sorry, I missed 3: Akshay Kumar, Rajkumar Rao, and Ayushmann Khurrana.
अक्षय कुमार थोड़ा
I
मेरे
mean,
को
I
कम
have
लगता है.
appreciation for all, but like all time तो मेरा शाहरुख खान ही है दिल में.
Shah
Sorry.
Rukh Khan ही है.
Hmm.
Even I like
Yeah.
Saif. Saif is very elegant when he act.
Underrated. Saif का
I
भी
don't know
यही था.
about
Very
Saif,
underrated.
but like Saif का बेटा, please hit me up.
Wait, एक
He is
second.
so hot.
How can anybody forget कि सैफ के बेटे का नाम क्या है? Taimur.
Ibrahim Ali
Ibrahim.
Khan. Oh yeah,
the other-
you call yourselves
You-
Bollywood fans. You
Yeah.
call yourselves Bollywood fan. One person in your podcast goes like, "Oh, Kareena Kapoor की क्या नाम था उसके बच्चे का?"
Yeah.
Bro.
I don't call. मैंने कहा था experts नहीं है available. That's why we called them.
So that's why you've got your experts this
Yeah.
time.
They weren't also available, तो आज इन तीनों के साथ set करना पड़ा. Let's continue.
Oh, नहीं Jaskirat. No.
I
ये
will
no
go.
medium वाली हरकतें मत करो. वही joke वापस से.
कोई नहीं recycle होता है. It's
Bro.
called a running gag. Mhm.
Oh, sure.
Please. Okay. Also, अच्छा, talking about Anushka Sharma, you. मुझे बता,
Yes.
you told me that you actually want to be an actress in mainstream Bollywood.
Yes.
Right. Do you know
Yes.
like the procedure to do that? Like what are you supposed to do? क्या करना है? What are you doing right now to pursue that? Let's start
So
with that.
currently I am okay. So if you ask me currently, I'm pursuing a diploma in acting from Anupam Kher's acting school. And ऐसे तो एक्टिंग मैंने पूरी जिंदगी की है अपनी. So इतना भी इंटरेस्ट था. बाकी for the process, bro, ऐसे कोई set process नहीं है. You just gotta like stay in Mumbai for like 2 to 3 years and like yeah bro, once you just like get hold of casting directors and like okay, so what you do is whatever type of film you like ना, उसके तुम IMDb पे जाके search करो. When you search it on IMDb, you get सारे casting directors and every little artist who worked on the film, उसके contact details. So even like makeup artists and all. And casting directors in your photos. And once you're like in the city, keep going for auditions, yaar. Keep going. Like
Have you ever gone to an audition?
For like
Have
a
you-
Bollywood movie? No, because
Have you
they
auditioned for
mainly
anything?
happen in. Yeah, I have a lot of times. I have a movie also on YouTube that I'm really
What?
embarrassed about.
Huh? Satya, I'll link it. Link in description, guys. Movie actress Anushka Sharma ही आ गई है यहाँ पे.
I was in 7th grade and it's utterly embarrassing. It was by Z Movies. It's just a short movie, but it's utterly embarrassing. So
Yeah,
no.
I did not. I'll find out and put the link in the description. Okay.
Very few people have seen it, and I'm glad it's just a few people. But yeah,
Achha.
man, like you gotta be in city and keep on auditioning. That's the only way.
Bollywood, okay. So, but like, do you think कि काफी लोग का जैसे पहले होता था कि हाँ मुंबई जाएंगे एक्टर बनेंगे. Do you think अब people are getting more practical कि हाँ maybe it's not that easy to become
देखो,
an actor?
Personally, I'll tell you, जिनको बनना है ना, वो अभी भी उतने ही पागल हैं. वो अभी भी यही सोचते हैं कि हाँ ब्रो मुंबई जाएंगे. मैं हर रोज सुबह उठ के पोस्टर्स देख के कहती हूँ हाँ ब्रो मुंबई जाएंगे. 4th May को बोर्ड्स खत्म हो, मुंबई जाएंगे. So those people are never going anywhere. People who are crazy for it, they're gonna go.
But
And
do you think
always
it's
gonna have that
practical?
spirit.
Do you think it's practical कि
If you're passionate enough for it, yeah, it is.
But you also have to be good at it, no? Like I'm not talking
Good
about
at
you,
it.
but if someone is like कि हाँ उठते शक्ल देख के हाँ भाई मैं हीरो हूँ चल मैं चलूँगा मैं मुंबई जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, that's not how it
तो
works, right? हाँ.
उनको reality पता चल जाएगी ना यार.
I would like to say something
हाँ.
कि it's like you have to give your best, जो होगा या नहीं होगा वो तो बाद में depend करता है, okay? And that goes for every field, not only acting. ठीक है? You have to be like crazy passionate about it कि okay, I will get in, and that's how you do it. ठीक है? अब if you will keep thinking कि बहुत tough है, nepotism है and all of that shit, नहीं होगा भाई. So you have to do what you do. Sorry, I was saying you gotta do what you do.
What you
But you gotta do what you gotta
I'm
do.
sorry, I'm stumbling because I'm hungry.
You're so excited खाना नहीं खाया तुमने हैं?
हाँ भाई डिनर नहीं किया मैंने अभी
क्या
तक.
कर रहे हैं आज Jaskirat?
Bollywood
we were coming
podcast.
on your channel, yeah.
एक्साइटिंग हो
man.
रखा है. हाँ chill है अभी 1 महीने बाद आएगी वीडियो. You can wait आराम से.
Oh!
संडे चलता रहेगा. अरे बहुत प्री रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं. Hi guys, I'm faking. कट जाएगा. अच्छा, बट ये स्टिल ना तुम कह रहे हो कि पैशन है, ये है बिकॉज यू नो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. जैसे कोई ऐसे उठ के देखते हैं, यू कैन ट्राई, बट ट्राई करने के लिए भी बंदे की आधी सेविंग्स लग जाती है ब्रो. लाइक टू रीच मुंबई, टू गेट इनटू ऑडिशन, टू गेट लाइक इनके, उसके बाद भी इफ समवन इज आल्सो टैलेंटेड, उसके बाद भी कट जाता है बिकॉज ये तुम्हारा नेपोटिज्म का चक्कर है. मतलब दैट्स व्हाट आई फील कि प्रैक्टिकल एज सच नहीं है कि मतलब हाँ ठीक है पागल हो तो लाइक पैशन है, यू क्रेजी फॉर इट, तो या यू कैन परस्यू इट. बट I don't know, सबका अपना opinion होगा, that's why it's a panel. So
See, one thing you should always remember is that the industry is hungry for new artists, new faces. ऐसे change होते हैं bro, ऐसे. They need a new face every like 2 to 3 months. And you just gotta believe in yourself, bro. ठीक है, struggle period आएगा, yes, I agree. But bro, that's what you signed up for ना.
bro, struggle
End
period
कर
में
दो.
भी कैसी gold movies निकलती हैं bro ऐसे actors की. You एक second, गायब हो गया मैं.
Guys,
Struggle,
just
struggle,
let's say
struggle period.
ace YouTuber.
Struggle period. But हाँ, जैसे they start, इनका struggle period जो होता है इसमें they do these indie movies. Have you guys watched Ship of Theseus or Masan, or you know थोड़ी small
Masan.
movies?
Masan, oh my
Masan.
god.
देखिए मसान, देखिए. Is it cause of Vicky
बहुत
कौशल?
बहुत
कब देखी
बार.
थी तुम लोगों ने मसान?
मैं तो बहुत पहले ही देखी थी.
2000
Even
में?
my parents keep watching these offbeat movies. But ठीक है,
Yeah,
हाँ, frankly
same.
speaking, I wouldn't have watched it if it weren't for my
वही ना.
parents. Because only because I didn't know, not because I was like, मैं क्यों देखूं, कौन है ये लोग.
नहीं,
I
because you know the मसान जो genre है, indie movie genre, is that for everybody? Because even people like Anushka, who's such a you know Bollywood fan, or you know, wants to become an actress, वो भी उसने भी नहीं देखी. तो do you think कि other people will watch it?
मैंने देखी है.
मतलब अब देखे हैं, मतलब वही ना, you saying वैसे
नहीं, मैंने
naturally
देखी
नहीं.
तो उसी टाइम थी. But हाँ, I get what you mean.
So is indie Bollywood for everybody?
Frankly speaking, no particular genre is for everybody.
Everybody. Yes.
It's not just indie genre, you know, like not everyone wants to watch YRFK romantics. People just want to watch movies like Tamasha and Rockstar.
Yeah. Good
And
movies.
there are some people who just, hey, excuse me, YRF are also good movies.
हाँ हाँ नहीं.
So for me, it's not just restricted to be indie. Like every particular type of a movie has a selected audience for me.
नहीं, बट फिर ऐसा लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स से ना कि हाँ मूवी डिडंट वर्क बिकॉज इट्स नॉट फॉर एवरीवन. कुछ लाइक वो तो ऐसे एक्सक्यूज बन जाता है ना फॉर अ बैड फिल्म आल्सो. लाइक आई फॉर वन रियली लव्ड, एक तो एक वरुण धवन का एक मूवी मुझे अच्छा लगा था, दैट वाज अक्टूबर. इफ यू गाइस हैव वॉच्ड इट, इट वाज लाइक अ रियली,
I have.
It's a very depressing movie, but yeah.
yeah, it's not what Varun Dhawan does. ठीक है, it's not at all उसका, and I really liked it, but it didn't work. It's not for everybody.
Even
It's not.
Guzarish didn't work, but it was
Yeah,
actually a really
yeah,
good
acting
movie.
Hrithik Roshan, man, is like Guzarish. Those are like good movies, but they don't work because it's not for everybody.
Yeah.
So is it like a excuse for directors also for not catching enough, you know, audience, or like the trailer wasn't attractive enough?
For me, the thing is, audience का size भी तो matters ना, bro. किस
पैसा
particular
कमाना
audience का size है. By the end of the day, it is business, bro. ये लोग किस लिए काम करे, तुम्हारे entertainment के लिए नहीं. पैसे चाहिए bro
पैसे.
इनको. वो
अरे
अलग बात है
हमारे
कि उनका वो
entertainment से पैसे
passion भी
कमाते
है.
नहीं, आधे लोग का
Have you
पैशन नहीं है
guys
भाई.
seen?
हाँ
Have you
हाँ,
guys
बोलो.
seen Roy?
No bro.
Yeah.
I
You haven't?
I like
Watch
the
it.
song. Suraj do
Watch
good.
it.
I don't do good. I like that song. Mhm. But क्या है रॉय में
That-
क्या
Roy
है?
is one of those offbeat movies.
Yeah.
अच्छा, मसान काइंड ऑफ मूवी. नहीं बट लाइक मैं
No.
नॉट जस्ट मसान, लाइक मैं तो और भी, जैसे देयर वाज वन मूवी आई थिंक इरफान खान की मकबूल, शेक्सपियर
Oh,
वाला
bro, that was a hit. That was
that
a
was a
real
hit.
hit.
Yeah, that was. Have you guys watched it? The
Yes.
Bollywood experts.
बेड़ी जलाइला है, उसी का ही गाना है bro.
Wait.
नहीं, but
वो मूवी नहीं देखोगी तो
No entry का कौन सा है फिर?
क्या?
no entry.
No entry.
Okay. अच्छा, okay, sorry.
वो गाना
I
ही
got
no entry
confused.
है. इश्क दी गली विच
गली ਵਿੱਚ no entry.
Copyright
Yeah.
strike.
Cool, cool.
Mhm. ये एक्सपर्ट है भाई वैसे, बाय द वे. ये
Oh, excuse me. Okay, listen.
हाँ जी.
It's not like he, you know, how do I explain this?
Mhm.
Everybody's not perfect at something, you know. कुछ ना कुछ कॉन्स तो होते ही हैं.
I'm kidding. I'm chill.
नहीं यार, just Kirat, you've hurt her now. Sorry.
सच्ची भाई ऐसे मतलब अभी ना मैं गाने बजाऊंगी बॉलीवुड वाला, and I'll be like, guess the song, and you'll be like,
Guess the song.
नहीं but हाँ, guess the song. Okay, Bollywood music. I'll do it again because पिछली बार ढंग से नहीं हुआ था. Bollywood music. Do you guys listen to these Badshah Honey Singh songs also?
Depends on our mood. Yeah.
Misogyny.
Yeah.
अगर पार्टी वाले मूड है तो for sure भाई.
Yeah, for sure.
अच्छा, but
Do you know?
हाँ जी. Is that a song?
Do you know? बादशाह ने बीच में लाइक लास्ट मंथ या उसके पहले एक एल्बम निकाला था. इट वाज अ लाइक सब बोलते थे ना कि ब्रो व्हाट बादशाह म्यूजिक ब्रो, इट्स लाइक बस क्या ही बोलता है, यू डोंट नो एंड ऑल. सो ही कंपोज्ड एन एल्बम जो प्योर रैप एल्बम है, और उसने मतलब उसका पब्लिसिटी किया. ही केम ऑन कपिल एंड ही डिड ऑल ऑफ दैट. वेट, डिड ही? I don't know if he came on Kapil for that, but I guess he did for some interview. किसी को पता नहीं है, वो अभी भी उतना फेमस नहीं है. बट if you go and check the songs, they are like real good songs.
अच्छा.
So it's like अगर बादशाह के बस यही है. वो कौन सा आया था बीच में, लटक मटक what या shit song. I don't like that song.
But
I
अगर
like-
किसी पार्टी में बजेगा तो सब नाचेंगे.
सब
It's
ना
all-
exactly.
No. मतलब, okay, I want to say this, okay. New Year's पे, I'm not gonna name the person, ठीक है. The person comes up to me is like, bro यार बॉलीवुड गाने लगा देना, पार्टी में मजा नहीं आ रहा. And that said person, ठीक है ना, that person is one of those people like, you know, oh Travis Scott, J. Cole, and ये guys, cool
Oh,
rapper
yeah.
and all. Can you shut up?
तो
Not to
ये भी
offend
बहुत
anyone,
हम्म.
बट जब नाचना होता है ना, तब तो आ जाते हो ना तुम सब बॉलीवुड पे.
वही मैं
तो
कह रहा हूँ.
please.
Exactly भाई.
अबे वही ना, तो it comes down to कि हाँ मैं तो वैसे I'm pretending to be cool listening to Travis Scott and all, but
Yeah.
रात को 3 बजे अगर सुबह naचना है, which every happens to everybody, like रात को like vibe कर रहे हैं, तो it has to be Bollywood. You're dancing in the bathroom on Bollywood. It cannot be anything else. तो वो
असली रोना ब्रेकअप के बाद में कहीं तो में ही आता है.
Oh my
फिर
God.
दूरियां. ठीक है ना?
तूने जो ना कहा वो मैं सुनता रहा. Oh my God, man. That
सबके
song
अलग
is
होते हैं.
beautiful. Yeah.
Chana मेरा personal favorite, guys. But when it
No.
comes down to हाँ बोल कौन
Yeah, exactly. So the thing is ना कि अगर रात में ऐसे मूड बना है कि नाचना है और कोई I like Travis. It's a completely different point of view. But रात में as you were saying कि अगर ये करना है वो करना है, भाई सब हवन कुंड पे नाचेंगे, कोई highest in the room पे नहीं नाच सकता था.
Facts.
even like वो that's what I'm thinking ना कि ये हमें normalize करना चाहिए bro कि even though I like these guys, I like the Beatles, I love the Beatles, but मैं उनके गानों पे नाच नहीं सकता bro. That's not it. That's not how I was raised, you know.
Yeah.
That's not how all of us was. हमारे generation ही ऐसा है
I
कि
feel like the simple thing here is if you love something, you won't have to hate something else. You can
Exactly.
love different things for
you
different
get
moods.
all you know कि they might not think I'm not cool, you know, something like that कि हाँ shit
Exactly.
वो बनाना पड़ता है perception कि नहीं मैं तो सुनता हूँ भाई.
देखो मैं तो honestly
The Weeknd.
कहूंगी कि हाँ ये perception like होता है, but I myself have never been conscious about it. भाई मैं तो जाके सीधा बोलती हूँ हाँ ब्रो मैं नहीं सुनती ड्रेक को या J. Cole को या Lil Pump or whatever his name is. I don't listen, bro. I'm sorry, I don't. I'm not. And the worst part is, bro, if you don't listen to it, don't throw shade at it. There are people who don't listen to Bollywood but throw shade at it. I'm not throwing shade at your artist.
But like
I'm
सुन के you
straight
can
up.
throw shade. Is that what you're saying? Because I
वो अलग बात है. I don't listen only.
I'm so sorry.
तुम लोगों ने कहा कि कंट्रोवर्सी चाहिए, so talking about controversy, Kangana last name I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah man, do you guys like her as an actress? वैसे we'll go over.
As an actress, yes.
Yes?
No.
Yes.
Anushka?
I
Yes.
don't.
Okay. Why is that?
I
Why
like
don't you
her
like
in
her?
Queen only. उसके बाद तो नहीं.
उसके अलावा उसने कौन सी मूवीज की हैं bro?
Tanu Weds
Uh,
Manu.
Tanu
Manu
with Manu,
Tanu with
and then
Tanu Weds Manu
Simran.
and
Simran.
I didn't watch Simran, but I remember the basic
Krish.
story.
Krish 3 bro. Oh. Good
ओहो
stuff.
ओहो भाई ऋतिक के
Love
साथ
her.
कैसे भूल गई तो मतलब क्या ही है
Krish 3. But
Yeah.
as an actress, she is nice. But what about the whole controversy? Why do you think do you think she should be an actress? She should be a Bollywood artist?
नो
No, why not?
If you go only by, अच्छा sorry, हाँ पहले no का जवाब दे, then I'll tell you yes.
हाँ.
ओके सो द थिंग इज मैंने उसकी क्वीन देखी थी जब मुझे मेरे को एक्चुअली जब रिलीज हुई थी ना तो पापा इज लाइक नहीं नहीं तू मत देख बट जब मेरे को समझ आ गई थी ना तब मैंने क्वीन देखी तो आई लाइक इन दैट उसके बाद मैंने तनु वेड्स मनु देखी उसके बाद क्रिश भी देखी क्रिश में उसका जो छोटा पार्ट था टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे नहीं पसंद वो एज एन एक्ट्रेस
Okay.
ठीक है एंड देयर आर अदर एक्ट्रेसेस एज वेल हु आर बेटर देन हर
Which obviously
And-
काफी सही.
Yeah, and not only star kids, okay. दूसरी कृति सेनन ले ले, दीपिका ले
Kriti
ले,
Sanon,
वो
I
अच्छे
love her
हैं
movie.
उससे.
She's so pretty.
I don't like
वो
her.
है-
I don't know why.
Like her.
Sorry.
I think she's
super
nice.
pretty, bro. She's nice.
Yeah.
हाँ. Mhm.
तो see, apart from nepotism, और भी reasons है that she is not getting work.
She's
So
not
it's
getting
not her
obviously.
bad.
She's not a good actress, dude. I mean this.
But
Straight up.
that's my
You
point.
think that
That's
she's not a
my
good
point.
actress?
हाँ
Just
मतलब you think नहीं मैं मेरे I'm a host guys मेरे opinions don't matter guys I
नहीं
I'm
है
here to-
कंट्रोवर्सी में फंसेंगे ना तो हम ही फंसेंगे गाइस.
मैं तो तू dodge अरे that's why I said मैंने कभी सिंह देखी नहीं है भाई सही है I don't have an opinion
Are you
मैंने देखी
serious though? You have not seen Kabir Singh.
अरे
I don't believe you,
I'll
to
tell
be
you the
very
story.
honest.
I'll tell
I
you the
don't
story.
believe.
The plan
Okay.
was to go out with the guys and watch the movie. ठीक है पूरा सारे boys
Yeah,
का plan
I
था साथ में.
remember.
Yeah, okay and
कबीर सिंह देखेंगे.
तो प्लान था सबका ठीक है और मम्मी ने मना कर दिया था बिकॉज़ इट्स एन अडल्ट मूवी ठीक है एंड आई वाज 17 एट दैट टाइम ठीक है
तो
सो
मम्मी को बता के जाते हो.
तो कहाँ जाता हूँ मैं कहाँ मूवी देखने आ रहा हूँ कौन सी मूवी देखने आ रहा हूँ एक ही मूवी
मम्मी वही बोल देते.
कभी से अब इस अच्छा नहीं उसके बाद भी आई देयर वाज मेरे डिपेंडेंट कार्ड में मैंने 2002 से 1 कर दिया था उसको ठीक है सर पेन से कुछ ठीक है सर
मैंने 3 को 0 कर दिया था.
दैट्स टू मच मैं तो एक ही साल गया था अच्छा पर 2001 कर दिया मैंने उसको एंड बट फिर इन द एंड मतलब कि नहीं ठीक है वैसे परमिशन भी नहीं मिल रही थी और मैं तब भी था भी कुछ 11th या 12th का कुछ एग्जाम्स चल रहे थे लाइक ठीक है जाने दो एंड फिर इतना कंट्रोवर्सी हो मैंने कहा ठीक है आई डोंट हैव एन ओपिनियन मैंने देखी नहीं है बच गया मैं तो बिकॉज अगर मैं देख लूंगा आई वुड हैव हैड एन ओपिनियन एंड फिर मैं कुछ बोल देता कुछ सीन ज्यादा जान दो नहीं देखनी बट लाइक तुम्हें भी
मेरी जिंदगी ऐसी.
did you guys like the movie कि तुम्हारे भी सेम ओपिनियंस थे from the first podcast
Okay, so for me, as I said again, that it was a remake of a South movie. So what people don't understand is South movie में भी ऐसा दिखाया था, the guy hitting the chick. You know, why didn't it become an issue in the South cinema?
that मेरा यही क्वेश्चन था ब्रो पिछले पॉडकास्ट में बट वो
Because I'll tell you why. Because वो लोग बस rant करने में लगे हुए थे. But I'll tell you why. Because what people don't get is, bro, South का जो cinema है ना, it's very different.
Very
The
different.
audience is very different. जो audience का mindset है वो बहुत अलग है भाई. तुम South की movies जाके देखो, ठीक है ना? So for them,
तू
it was
अच्छी कह रहा है
fine.
उसको कि बुरी मूवी कह रही है like are those
For
movies good
Kabir Singh,
no in general South movies the point is
I like some, I don't like some. It's only because they're very different. अब जैसे तुम्हें याद है वो रोबोट चिट्टी रोबोट रजनीकांत की.
Bro, to be honest, I love
नहीं,
that
part
movie.
1 तो
I love that
तो अच्छी
movie.
थी यार with Aishwarya.
Part one
Part
अच्छी
2
थी यार.
was थोड़ा
bro I liked
But
उस
anyway.
genre में I liked रावण शाहरुख खान की I loved that movie bro
हाँ
that was
वो
like,
तो
Yeah, even I love that
चमक
movie.
चलो.
yeah,
But-
no, I loved that movie bro superhero genre में उसी में
चमक-
घुसा था bro that was like love हाँ बोलो continue
Yeah, so anyways, coming back to Kabir Singh. So उस particular audience के लिए it was acceptable. ठीक है, मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि मेरे लिए acceptable है या नहीं है, मैं तुम्हें बस एक point of view दे रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे again कोई controversy नहीं करनी. But yeah, for that particular audience it was fine. But for जो अब बॉलीवुड में जब सेम रिलीज हुआ for this audience it wasn't fine because audience बहुत अलग है यार.
और
And
reach
that's
भी
what-
बहुत ज्यादा है like Bollywood
Exactly. So
it's not only
हाँ bro,
just
that's why थोड़ा सा issue बन गया. But I guess by the end of the day, you know, people कहते हैं that they want more relatable content. They want to see, you know, like we want to connect.
Mhm.
कहीं ना कहीं तो कहीं से तो क्या ही होगा ना जहाँ पे ऐसे करते होंगे लोग प्यार में सब
मतलब ये
acceptable
तू
है
बता
types.
इन जनरल तुम्हारा पर्सनल ओपिनियन पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. Did you guys like the movie as a Bollywood
Yeah, to be
expert?
honest,
Yeah,
I did.
the story was nice.
See, I mean, for
It-
me, it wasn't a practical movie,
वो तो
but
there's no Bollywood movies practical, bro. Come on, bro. Bollywood.
Hold up, what? Hold up, what?
debatable.
एक second.
Debatable.
Very debatable.
दिल चाहता है देखिए. कोई
Obviously.
can the whole dance
कहता
floor
है-
dance together? I'm in general
Bro.
कोई साथ में that's what the practicality वो
तो
कहता है.
तो
Not
तुम उनका वो सॉन्ग वाला पार्ट क्यों देख रहे हो भाई?
हाँ,
Don't
नहीं,
if you
ज्यादा in general बहुत
बाकी
same
सब
होते हैं.
तो है, बाकी
हाँ.
सब भी तो है.
नहीं बट मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ शी सेड कि कबीर सिंह में प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ मूवी दैट्स व्हाट शी सेड कि एस्केप है तो वो सब हो सकता है. बट
so are
अपार्ट
you
फ्रॉम दैट
एक second, are you saying that Hollywood movies are practical like
आई नेवर
Avengers
सेड दैट. नहीं आई
practical?
नेवर सेड दैट.
But तो practical क्या है भाई फिर बताओ?
But I
What
love
is
Avengers पे
Avengers.
मत जाओ जसकीरत
हाँ,
के
वो थोड़ा-
सामने.
मीटिंग वूटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी. ठीक है.
Bro, वैसे तो ZNMD भी देखा जाए तो हो सकता है, चीजें हो सकती है वो
मस्त
जो
मूवी है
हुई
वो
है.
भी.
Obviously, bro.
best?
एक
One
बार
of
तो
the
मन
best
सबका
movies.
करता है कि मतलब ऐसे वॉशरूम में जाओ और यूरिनल में से पॉइंट पहले पहले गोवा मनाली
then
चले जाओ फिर
Meet a
लेना
like
सही.
meet a stranger from a foreign land and then blah blah. I mean, see,
स्कूबा डाइविंग
it
करते
can
रहना.
happen.
वो लैला मजनू.
Oh, Layla, oof.
नशा
Oh.
है नशा.
Oh,
हाँ.
nasha mat bolo. It's such a negative word.
Word.
Yeah.
It's like yoga.
Stop
I
quoting the
think
movie.
it's like
Oh my God.
meditation. Bro, I तो can do even that happy new year का. तुझे क्या लगता है dance easy है? Easy नहीं है. Dancing
Dancing
odd.
odd.
Just kidding, like why did I come here?
सही है. कंटेंट मिल रहा है भाई मेरे को क्या वैसे I'm just quoting. हाँ तो
Anyway.
कबीर सिंह कमिंग बैक टू हर बॉलीवुड उसमें कबीर सिंह तो होना ही चाहिए विद द पैनल ऑफ लेडीज. बट हाँ वी आल्सो स्किप ओवर कंगना रियल क्विक dude. What the hell happened there? कंगना में किसी ने कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
Give him controversy, bro.
Yeah, man, Congrats.
He
अच्छा,
wants subscribers.
Anushka Harsh, you said you like the actress, but do you think she deserves to be an actress because of the person she is?
Now I don't. Like after what all happened, like जो भी lockdown के बीच में भी हुआ था, उसके बाद personally I think no, because I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया था to be honest.
Okay, so do people like actors based on their personalities or just their acting?
Both.
Anushka Sharma ji.
I don't think कंगना ठीक है भाई उसने bullshit crap की होगी. To be very honest, मैंने उसका ज़्यादा ऐसे I haven't like gotten into like what she's done ज़्यादा. But for me, you shouldn't be questioning someone's craft based on the type of person they are. For me, they're two very different things.
Exactly. That's what I was asking. कि किसी के personality should it affect their craft, their art as an artist? किसी की personality because I've heard कि ये बंसाली जो है तुम्हारा director, he's very abusive on set. Like he's like you know actors को mistreat करते हैं everything. तो does the artist thing really?
Shahid had a complaint on it.
हाँ वही ना I research तो
पद्मावत के टाइम पे था.
नहीं पद्मावत इन जनरल भी वो ऐसे बंसाली पहले से भी जितना रिपोर्ट्स आए थे तो जीनियस बैनर के अंडर आके कुछ भी करता है. सो डू यू थिंक इट्स एक्सेप्टेबल फॉर आर्टिस्ट के मतलब कि ही इज आल्सो जब आप में इज क्रिएटिंग अ मास्टर क्लास के बढ़िया पिक्चरें बना रहा है वो सब है बट ऐसा अलाउड होना चाहिए बिहेवियर अंडर द आर्टिस्ट बैनर?
Obviously not.
No, wait, that's contradicting now. Okay, Kangana ka we are saying कि हाँ
I know. That is extremely true. But what I'm trying to say कि अभी I think she pointed 2-3 directors को when she was talking about all of that stuff. I don't remember किसके बारे में. And she worked for them, okay. And अब उनके बारे में तुम contradict कर रहे हो. So what are you trying to say over there कि are they good or are they bad? Because उस time में तो तुमने बहुत praise किया कि oh my god I love them. इन्होंने मुझे ऐसे treat किया है वैसे treat किया and now you're saying all of that stuff.
Bro, I feel कि उसने when she spoke against these guys, no Bollywood में, she got a lot of praise for that. Starting में she was like, हाँ, she's letting the Bollywood mafia and everything was good thing, ना. And that's when she was like, कि हाँ मैं वो सर में चढ़ गई अपने. And now she's just like bad shit crazy.
Going on and on, yeah.
Yeah. तो अभी
During her, yeah.
बोल
but
भाई।
actually like during her initial stages जब like ऐसे first second movie आ रही थी so it was like Karan invited me to this party, like very
Yeah.
nice party, and these guys are like the best. I didn't feel like an outsider and
I
something.
think
And then
yeah, go on.
I guess किसी award show में ही बोला था कि I'm very grateful for Mr. Johar and all ऐसे. And then after few years she's like on the Coffee with Karan couch and she's like, you would play the Bollywood biggie in my autobiography. I was like, okay.
I think
I mean,
things changed after the Hrithik Roshan scene.
Yeah,
उसके
that's
yeah.
बाद
true. Yeah.
things
उसके बाद
were
she
like
was like,
went
हाँ।
crazy. Yeah.
तो उसके बाद she थोड़ा
For
went crazy.
me,
Yeah.
acha, like for me, coming back to what your basic question was, like, you know, should artists be allowed to do this? For me, it's not even related to the craft, to be very honest. For me, it's bro, एक वो जो basic line होती है ना, जो like no human should cross when you're talking to someone, बस वो maintain होनी चाहिए. Like you can't like ऐसे जाके ऐसे माँ पे चले जाओ, like all of that crap.
Yeah.
And that is not I'm saying specific to an actor only. Just basic line होती है, वो नहीं cross होनी चाहिए. But उसके अलावा for me while working, ठीक है ब्रो, कभी कभार कैरेक्टर बाहर लाने के लिए वो चाहिए होता है, ठीक है. एंड फॉर मी अगेन आई एम गोना रिपीट दिस, यू माइट बी अ वेरी बैड पर्सन बट दैट शुडंट इंटरफेयर विद योर वर्क, योर क्राफ्ट. सो इवन टुडे, ठीक है, कंगना इज माइट नॉट बी अ गुड पर्सन, बट for me, I still don't feel she should be denied any movie because bro, she's bloody good at her work. Okay, so yeah, for me it's always gonna, maybe you can say I have a soft spot because you know I want to go to that particular line of career, but I understand bro, but like sorry, like craft को मत question करो यार, मेरा तो बस इतना ही है.
ठीक है, फिर with that we should end this podcast. Thank you guys for joining me for the part 2. Part 1 में बहुत सारे
Thank you
views
for
आ गए,
having
so I was
us.
like, ओह ठीक है. Any
Anushka is
last
already
words?
preparing for her
हाँ,
professional
last
interview. Thank you for having us.
टॉक शो हो गया अनुष्का का पहली प्रैक्टिस में, है ना. पहला कॉफी विद करण मैं था
Thank you,
तेरा,
just
ठीक है.
good. You're always gonna be credited for my first talk show host.
Yes, I'm coffee with Karan first without the controversy. Hi.
Big brain time just came.
Big brain time. Oh,
Different.
thank you guys for joining me and bus chalo. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good
Good
night,
night.
guys.
Good night.
Bye.
Hi guys, if you guys like that video, please make sure that you like it. ठीक है, cause तुम लोग like नहीं कर रहे हो. Let's make a target. Okay, let's make a target. 100 likes and I will do an item song on Instagram. Like dance on item song on Instagram. I'm not even kidding. I'll do it. 100 likes लाओ इस वीडियो पे, ठीक है. And subscribe करो, because you guys don't subscribe. देख के चले जाते हो. 50% of the people that watch my videos do not subscribe. So subscribe. Also, before you guys go, description में मेरे Discord का link है for subscribers. ठीक है, तो make sure you guys join that. वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी मस्ती होएगी. Once I hit 1000 subscribers, which you guys are not doing it. 1000 subscribers. And Reddit है. Reddit में बहुत crazy memes आ रहे हैं, बहुत मैं देख रहा हूँ. And Instagram and Twitter है. ठीक है, वो तो तुम जानते ही हो. अगर नहीं जानते तो Instagram में सब कुछ चेकआउट करना, सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन में. ठीक है, बाय बाय.